to make a sign for my front porch, and I need to get I have a whole bunch of these slat looking boards that we cut off boards when we was building cabinets. So I want to use them up because I have a slew of them. And I made I made that shelf, the glare of the light, with them. And now I'm wanting to make a sign for my front porch, and I have a lot of this, so I'm going to use it up. And I want to make them 38 inches long. So I'm going to take and mark my 38 inches on here, on each one of these, and I'm going to go out to my miter saw, and I'm going to cut each one of them off. And I think I wanted about 14 inches wide, but I'm going to see. It may be a little less, a little more, because I don't want to have to cut a thin strip of the boards. Anyways, I'm going to cut those down, and I'm going to see how many it takes to go across now to make around 14 inches wide. So I'm going to take these out there and cut them off, and I'll be back. I cut my boards down to 38 inches long, and I ended up going across. It's going to be 13 inches, which I like the way it looks, the width of it. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used 6 boards across. Now I'll go out there and find me maybe a 1x2 or a 1x2 that I can cut across and make braces, like one here, one in the middle, and then one at the top. And then I'll decide whether I'm going to paint all my boards first or put it together and then paint it. I don't really know. I haven't decided yet. I haven't even really decided what I want on it. I just have a space that I want something in. I want to make something for the front porch to, like kind of like a welcome sign, or I don't know. I haven't made up my mind what I want yet. But I'm going to go cut my braces down, and I'll use the nail gun to put those on, and I'll be back. Alright, I used the nail gun and some glue and some 1x2s and got it put together. And there's what it looks like. Now I'm just going to have to figure out what I want to put on it and what colors I want to use. I know I want it for the front porch, and I know where I want to put it. I just haven't figured out what I want to put on it. But when I do, I'll come back. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, this is what I've decided to put on the board and for the front porch. Now I'm going to send it to the Cameo and have it cut it out. Okay, got it cut out and ready to put on the board. I went with just a, what was it, Waverly plaster. Okay, I'm going to get that all laid on the board and start painting that out in black. Finished it, and I'm putting some polyurethane on it because it is going outside, and I've put it on the front, and I'm waiting for this to dry. I'm going to turn it over, put some 2 coats of polyurethane on the back, and then I'll take it outside and I'll show you where I'm going to put it and how it looks. And while I'm waiting on that to dry, I'm working on my next craft. So be looking for a video on that. Well, I got it finished and put out on the front porch. I like how it turned out. Think it looks cute there. I just attached it with a screw to the top post so it wouldn't blow over or blow away, because we do get pretty high winds out here. And give you a little bit close up of what's on it. We have chickens and we have cattle. Well, I didn't put a donkey on there. We have 2 donkeys. And of course the dogs. They're sound asleep. Alright, until the next one, we'll see you later.